We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, and some of the most mispronounced ones too, especially those whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. In British English, this is normally said as family, an emphasis on that first syllable, and three-syllable fa-m-li, family. In American English, however, this is normally said as family, family, so two syllables here and no m syllable, fam-li, family in American English, or family in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.